Hello everyone. Welcome to a view as speaking class today. Now get started. What's your name?
Tên Kim Phương.
How are you today? Okay. Now, what name was it?
I'm George. I'm Cup. I'm Chicken. I'm Bird.
Now, what number is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, now, how is the weather?
Weather.
Sun,
Xanh này. Lao này.
cloud,
Lao này.
snow,
Moon này.
snowy.
Số gì.
Okay, very good. So that could be the answer to test today. Bye.